Hello everyone, welcome to the last tutorial of Funkin Universe Engine mod charting tool. This will be the last tutorial for this mod charting tool, but it won't be the last tutorial for Universe Engine if you're gonna add more mod stuff that I want to talk about to learn yourself. This is gonna be in Universe Engine 0.2.1, but everything will work inside of 1.0 in 0.1.0 as well. And everything from 0.1.0 will also work inside of 0.2.1. So don't forget that. Only 0.2.1 will have more modifiers, but won't go over that. Let's go into tutorial. So that was a nice introduction. Let's start by opening the game, of course, and pick a random song. Really?
2,000 years later.
Why does it take so long? Why did it mark creativity up? Did I have a mark creativity on? So let's pick a random song where we're gonna do the custom modifier in. This is of course gonna be in HScript. You can do that in Lua as well, but I don't know how. Just pick, I don't know, Thorns, just a random song. So you can use these custom modifiers in the mod chart editor or in Lua, but I don't know how to do it inside of Lua, so let's do it inside of the mod chart editor. Also the easiest thing. So what you probably think is that you code it inside of the mod scripts folder, but it's not. All of the custom mods are inside of your song's data folder. So for me it's inside of Thorns. Then you probably think, oh yeah, let's just create like a new name and then .hscript or .hx. No. By the way, I'm gonna open up VS Code I'm gonna open this in VS Code to make it easier. And a small little flashbang, like why not? So I will go into assets data and then Thorns. It's not like you think it is. It's not like that. You need to create a new folder and call it like this: custom mods, like this. Otherwise it won't work. Inside of that we create our new file, and the name of the file is of course also gonna be the name of your modifier. I'm gonna call this tutorial.hx. And now is the best part. You need to type function init mod, like this, init all lowercase and mod with a capital M, and inside of these brackets you type mod again but with lowercase letters. And inside of this function is going to be the code of your modifier. These are the different types of math we have. We have node math. I'm gonna copy this over. We have strum math, we have incoming angle math, purpose math, and node distance math. Node dist math. These are the things I will go over today. Four of them, yes. And if you think like, oh yeah, let's just do override function and then let's say node math. No, it's mod dot and then the math. We'll go over node math real quick, and this is the line you're gonna use. Mod.node math is equals to function node data comma lane comma purpose comma pf. Do you need to learn this out of your head? No. I will leave like in the side of the disk, inside of GitHub, like a wiki with all of these things. So now you need to So we have here our node data. Let's just do node data dot x is equals to, let's say, 200. And then of course end with a semicolon. Ignore this error you get, it's something really weird. Just ignore that the modchart tool will accept this. So how do you use it? Well, we go inside of the modchart editor. You're going to modifiers. If you don't know how to use this modchart editor, watch the first tutorial, link will be in the description if I don't forget that. And you will see tutorial is nowhere to find inside of this list. That's completely fine. That's because it's hard coded to list these modifiers. These are built-in modifiers. You need to type you need to type it yourself. So tutorial inside of the modifier class. You can also do that with all the modifiers inside of here. You don't specifically need to select them. And you can still use lane, playfields and stuff. But let's just do like this. I'll save the modifier. I'll place an event node, go to event, select and do 1. But nothing is happening. That's because you need to reload the game, the modchart editor for that. So just save the modifier. Am I in the correct folder? I kinda was. Assets, data, not tutorial, thorns. Did I really create? I created this inside of tutorials. Sorry for that. I'm inside of thorns. It will still not load the modifier inside of here. Just close out the game and just close out the modifier, and as you can see, everything is working. What the heck is it? Did I? Oh shit! Whoops. Sorry. This is a weird crash. Of course, every time you restart the song, redo the modifier, it won't happen inside of the modchart editor. But okay, that apparently is a thing. You can do, of course, like more crazy stuff like changing the UI. That's nice, actually. If you do a change, just restart the song and the changes will take effect. You can do, of course, combine multiple things. You can do crazy math stuff. The next thing on the list I'm gonna do is strum math. It's similar to node math. Just do node data dot x is equals to 200. Holy shit. Just restart the song, and why is it angry? Because I forgot the semicolon. If you do something wrong, it won't crash your game, which is nice. And now we have something like this. I think no one is gonna use these type of modifiers anyway, but that just doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want. Can the Discord shut up? You can also do that with a Y, of course. It's kinda centered. The next, you can also do something like this. Let's just use node math real quick. And you can do like node data dot y is equals to 400, and then node data dot x is equals to 200. And you don't want to retype that, of course. You can just do node. How did you do it again? Just give me a second. You could reuse stuff, I know that, but I forgot how. You just do node math and then the same things and it will happen the same way. Or you need to do mod.node math. There we go. The next type of math is incoming angle math. This one is a bit different. Yes, here you need to return. So here, instead of doing like no data.angle or something, no, you need to do return. These square brackets, and here's an x value and here's a y value. The x value, let's just keep that blank and do 90 on the y. And if you don't forget, of course, your semicolon, and there we go. You could also do like really weird math stuff. I have a mod that has a bunch of those things. You can do like something like this, no data.angle, or near here mod.current value plus this. This is something I do know about, like curve pos multiplied by that, and you get like this really fun little curve. You can go crazy on this, like curve pos multiplied by 360 divided by 6. That's a plus. Divided by 6. And you get something like this. That actually looks really cool. It can do crazy stuff inside of this. You also have another type of math called curve pos math. I don't know how to use this one, so we're not gonna go over this one. But node distance math, node this math is something very cool. So you need to do return node dist square brackets. Nope. Multiplied by the mod.current value. This is how you check the current value. This is what mod.current value. Plus 2, let's say. And this is how it will work. I forgot the semicolon. Excuse me. Why did it go up? Did I do a -1 here? No, a normal one, so why did it do that? What under current value? Let's just do like divided by 2. I don't know. Just do that, so you can also do like crazy stuff like I did in the glitch beats. This is all of this. All of this math just to make that thing. Can do crazy stuff. You can do combine of. You can do fun stuff with this. Why did I do this? Like you can do this thing, these things. You can do that with these runs itself. You can do a bunch of stuff with custom mods. You can do complete. You can do whatever you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I know this was a very short one, but there's not much to go over with. So, bye bye.